There she is. Celine. Yes. And I remember your name is Celine and your sister's name is Dion, right?
Yeah.
Because you guys are all a little bit obsessed with Celine Dion.
Just a bit.
So which Celine Dion song are you singing for us today?
Well, today I'm not singing a Celine Dion song. I'm singing How Am I Supposed to Live Without You?
Oh.
Wow.
I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you. I could hardly believe it when I heard the news today. I had to come and get it straight from you. And I don't want to know the price I'm gonna pay for dreaming. But even now it's more than I can take. Tell me, how am I supposed to live without you? Now that I've been loving you so long.
Hey, she can sing.
Oh, yeah. How am I supposed to live without you? How am I supposed to carry on when all that I've been living for is
Oh my God.
Celine, the crowd is going crazy for you.
Thank you.
First, I would like to hear from our very special guest judge, Laverne. What did you think?
I just want to eat you up and like take you home. You were so adorable and so cute, and your voice is amazing.
Thank you.
You are
You're
so
beautiful,
talented.
too.
Thank you so much. I am really blown away. You are so talented. Unbelievable. So adorable. I might just have to.
Hey YouTube, thanks for watching. If you like this and you want to see a lot more, all you gotta do is click right here to subscribe. This is amazing. I think I feel a little viral.